This is a Raspberry Pi. This is a computer. This is a computer. But this computer fits in the palm of my hands. You can do everything you can with this computer in this little package. You just need an SD card, power supply, and you're ready to go. So, what can you do with these things? Well, today we are going to run a blog off of that with WordPress, MySQL, and Docker. Instructions. First thing you'll want to do is open up a terminal in your Raspberry Pi, or what I have done is SSH in. And you'll want to install Docker and Docker Compose. I have the command right here. Should be quick for me. I already have it installed. I'm going to create a directory for it to live in. Simply name it blog. Change directories into it. I'll need 3 files. The first is the Docker Compose. Again, I'm just going to cut and paste and use nano. And just write it. Then I will create the MySQL database configuration file. You'll want to change your credentials here, username, password, to something more secure. I'm just going to use the example. Next is the WordPress configuration. Again, pick some credentials that are a lot more secure than that. That will do. And finally, I'm going to bring it up with this Docker Compose command. So it's going to go off and download the images from the internet. Luckily for me, I already have them in place. Momentarily, the blog should be up, and it has finished booting up. Should go to the host name or IP address. And there you go. WordPress up and running. Well, I hope you guys found that useful. The detailed instructions can be found in the link below. You can follow it and hopefully get your own blog up and running on this neat little device. Ciao, peace out. Oh yeah, if you check home.cheer.ca, you can see what I'm running right now on this little device. Pretty much nothing yet, but maybe I'll put like comics or something cool. Memes and stuff like that on this little